Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to get Goblin Boohoo Emote in Clash Royale. So first we're going to go to the Clash Royale app. Since it takes time to load, we're going to wait for a while. So once it's loaded, we're going to go to the store on the left side of the app. So then we're going to scroll downwards and look for it. As you can see, there's the emote Goblin Boohoo. It's paid, so once you click it, it's going to give you the payment services you have to pay, which is about $5. So this is how you buy the emote. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.